I will fully working Stripe payment provider in under 5 minutes using Laravel and PHP. So we required these two things. Need to have a PHP and we need to have a composer. Open a terminal and write this composer create project Laravel / Stripe Laravel, and now just wait and install your Laravel project. After install Laravel project, we can go to main directory, and then I use this command line composer require stripe /stripe -php, and then install our package. And then I make a new controller with the help of PHP Artisan command line. After make controller, I will go to VS Code Studio. After open the VS Studio Code, I go to the app folder, and then I go to the controller, then Stripe controller. Now here is a Stripe controller. So I write here 3 conditions, and the one condition is a pub function, index function, and the second function is success function, and the last function is public function checkout, and this is our logic. You can see this our logic here. After write all controller condition, then I close all condition, and then I go to the inside resource. Inside resource, I create a new folder index.blade.php, and then I write here form. This form method is post and value is CSRF token. And then again close all folder, then I go to inside the route, and then open a web.php folder. Inside the web.php folder, I write here 3 routes. One route is index, and second is checkout, third is success, and this is the success, and this is the index. So, and then again I close all folder, and then I go to the inside the config folder. Inside the config folder, I create a new file stripe.php, and inside the stripe.php I write here some codes. And then again I close all folder, and then I go to .env file. This is .env file, and here is I write here public key and secret key. This is secret key, and second last is public key. All code is done, and now I open a terminal, new terminal, and write here artisan command php artisan serve. Now I go to the web browser with the help of this link. So this is our main page on the browser. I click the checkout button, and then we enter the main page. So this is our project view, and there is a pay with a link feature, and there is some features like pay here our all detail using email and card detail and some more details. And then after fill all detail, you can hit the pay button, and then processing will be started. Wait. So finally money has been sent. So this project is properly work. Thanks you guys. Thanks for watching.